Acting Chief Justice, High Court of State of Telangana, and Patron-in-Chief, State Legal Services Authority. Respected members of Judiciary, senior police officers, Women and Child Department officials, legal services experts, UNICEF, civil society and development partners. I welcome you to this state-level conference. The theme, Voice for the Voiceless, is very important for our society. I congratulate the Telangana Police and other organizers for holding this conference. We must put child survivors at the center of our legal and moral framework in fighting this heinous crime against humanity. We have to protect our children from sexual abuse at any cost and with all means. My government gives top priority to the protection of children and women. Telangana Bharosa project has 29 centers. It provides police support, legal aid, medical assistance, and counseling in a friendly environment. Telangana pioneered child-friendly courts run by Hyderabad Bharosa Center. The goal is not just faster cases disposal, but total child protection and development. POCSO Act and Juvenile Justice Act are highly progressive instruments in our legal framework, but they come with problems. We must ensure procedure help child victims, not hurt them. We must also end child pornography and impose strict punishments. Social media abuse of children must also be treated without mercy for culprits. Our state government is fully ready to take all steps. We must ensure justice and compassion for children not only in courts but also at police station, child centers, and in every step of this process. I appeal to all of you, respected judges, police officers, CWCs, development partners, let us move forward with a shared mission. Justice is not just about conviction. It is about restoration, about dignity, and reclaiming childhood. Thank you. Jai Telangana.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message and the steps being taken by the Telangana state government. It is time to hear our today's chief guest, Honorable Sri Justice Suryakant, Judge, Supreme Court of India,